You are too soft. That is why you are suffering. You care too much about what people think. You explain yourself to people who do not listen. The world does not respect softness. It devours it. If you want to survive and dominate in this ruthless society, you need to kill the weak part of yourself. Today we are going to install 8 laws into your mind. Welcome back to Crazy Thought. Law number 1 is the law of the gray rock. When you deal with toxic people or narcissists, you must become a gray rock. A rock has no emotions. It is boring. It does not react to kicks or screams. When someone tries to provoke you, do not fight back and do not cry. Give them absolutely nothing. Give them boring answers like okay or maybe. When you deny them the drama they crave, they starve. Your lack of reaction is the ultimate insult. Law number 2 is the law of emotional Teflon. Imagine your mind is coated in Teflon. Nothing sticks to it. Insults, rejection, and hate should slide right off you. Weak men hold on to insults for years, replaying them in their heads. Strong men forget the insult the moment it is spoken. If someone disrespects you, look at them with total indifference. Do not get angry. Anger shows that you care. Indifference shows that they are beneath you. Law number 3 is the end of explanation. Stop explaining yourself. Every time you explain your decisions, you are asking for permission. You are submitting to the other person. If you say no, and then give a 5-minute reason why you have lost your power. A king does not explain his decrees. Say no and let the silence hang in the air. Let people wonder why. Your reasons are for you, not for them. Law number 4 is the sniper mindset. Most people are like machine guns. They spray words everywhere hoping something hits. You must be a sniper. Speak less but make every word count. Listen 80% of the time and speak 20% of the time. When you are quiet, you gather information. You learn their weaknesses and their desires. While they are busy talking and revealing their cards, you are analyzing the game. Law number 5 is gatekeep your access. You are too available. You answer the phone on the first ring. You say yes to every plan. This makes you cheap. Gold is valuable because it is rare. Water is free because it is everywhere. You need to become gold. Do not reply instantly. Do not be free every weekend. Create a velvet rope around your life. People should feel lucky to get 5 minutes of your time. Scarcity creates value. Law number 6 is the walk-away power. This is the ultimate law of negotiation. In business and in relationships, the person who is most willing to walk away holds all the power. If you are desperate, you will accept a bad deal. If you are afraid to be alone, you will accept disrespect. You must reach a point where you are completely comfortable walking away from anything that does not serve you. When you are not afraid of loss, you become dangerous. Law number 7 is radical accountability. A cold mind never blames others. Blame is for victims. If you are broke, it is your fault. If you are out of shape, it is your fault. If you are unhappy, it is your fault. This sounds harsh, but it is liberating. If it is your fault, then you have the power to fix it. If you blame the economy or your parents, you are waiting for them to save you. They will not save you. Take ownership of your hell, and you can build your own heaven. Law number 8 is information asymmetry. Knowledge is power, but only if you keep it. In any interaction, you should know more about them than they know about you. Keep your goals hidden. Keep your next move a secret. When people know your plans, they can sabotage them. When they know your insecurities, they can use them against you. Be a mystery. Let them guess what you are thinking. The element of surprise is your greatest advantage in the game of life. Subscribe to Crazy Thought.